Hey, what's up everybody? Jason from Advanblack. We're going to be installing our saddlebag latch covers on a 25 Road Glide. Carbon fiber is the only way to go. The two tools you're going to need are a 15 Torx and a 20 Torx. That's it. So in order to install the carbon fiber latch covers on our 25 Road Glide saddlebags, you're going to first have to open up the saddlebags. And you're going to have to remove the nylon liner that holds the saddlebag up. This one is a little bit tricky because you got to hold it with one hand. This is going to be a 10 Torx. All right, once you remove the leather piece that goes over the center here to hold up the saddlebag lid, you're going to use a 15 Torx on these 3 screws right here. Now once you get that 3rd screw out of there, it will drop, so make sure you're holding everything. Make sure you're holding everything when you take this off. So once the last screw is out, this one should come right out. There it goes. Now while holding this, keeping everything up with your left hand or your other right hand, you want to use your other hand, make sure it's orientated correctly so that the keyhole is facing forward and the slope right here is on the bottom side. Light hands, finesse it inside, line up the holes. There we go. When you're installing the carbon fiber latch covers, you want to use the supplied hardware that comes with it. Right now we're just going to get everything hand tightened, lined up. You do not need no Loctite on this because it has the brass fittings on the inside. Now to tighten everything down, and to tighten down the hardware, it is going to be a 15 Torx with the supplied hardware. All right, just make sure you don't forget to connect your little flap that holds up the saddlebag lid. You're going to hand tighten it first. Just get it started. There you go. Our carbon fiber latch cover on our 25 Road Glide. You can also tell by checking it out. We have some other carbon fiber parts on our website. Check it out.